Okay, here we go.
I think I know what it is.
This is from me to Anna.
What is it?
I took off what it says, so you have to open it up.
I think I know what it is.
Anna, what do you think?
Jonas Brothers?
No, I'll make a reject.
That's
the one that you're talking about.
I have this as my desktop. Like,
oh yeah!
Either, oh my gosh, thank you!
Good thing I didn't get it.
Oh, I love it!
Good thing I didn't get it.
Wow, I wish I could have gotten a video of her buying this.
I was like, Dad, which one do I get?
Get away from me!
I was staring at these posters and my dad's like, I don't know, shouldn't you know? You're a girl. And I'm like, no.
Yeah, dads aren't gonna know.
Oh my goodness, I need this, right?
And ice cream.
Good gift.
That's why she called me during lock. What should I get Anna? Should I get her an ice cream skewer?
Yeah, I'm gonna need this tool.
That's alright.
Don't look at me when you say
Overwatch.
Yeah, Overwatch.
Mom. Oh, thank you.
You're
I love
welcome.
Grandpa King stickers.
I figure we have many sleepovers, so.
Oh, I love this movie.
Wait, what movie is
I've
it?
been wanting to see it again.
What movie?
Oh yeah, score Nicole.
Woo!
Also why she called me back. She's just like,
Oh,
I don't have
that
any
is really
movies
Yeah.
that she loves.
See, I should have called you. I was looking all through the store.
I love it. Oh, thank you, Nicole. That is so adorable. And you're gonna see this is like an inside.
Oh,
Like, Anna wants to be
That was so touching.
You want to be a pilot?